What's going on, guys? My name is Eric, and today I'm going to be sharing some game-changing advice and strategies from the legend himself, Patrick Bet-David, also known as PBD. So we had an exclusive interview on our podcast with him, and he just literally shared some nuggets, some gems that literally could help you guys attract more online clients to help you guys grow your guys' health coaching businesses. So stay tuned with me on this. Okay, strategy number one is your guys' mindset. This is something that Patrick really emphasized on because it's more of the foundational stuff of understanding what you're going into, right? When you're going into entrepreneurism and building a business, you have to understand and buy into like what's called a paradigm shift. You guys are shifting your guys' thinking, your guys' being, and your guys' doing. So I'm gonna put this in another twist, how I teach my students in our accelerator mentorship. I am big on what's called clarity, guys. And it's really the 3 C's. So it's clarity, it's conviction, and then it's certainty. So with the clarity, you guys have to, really be crystal clear. Is as hard as that can be to really zone out and just see where you want to go in the next 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 years. The further you can go out, the better, because it's going to be so clear, with the clarity as to where you're going to go, the end destination, and how you're going to sit there and take those steps to get to that. So again, clarity has to be very, very dialed in. The next part on that, right, it's your guys' level of conviction. So this is something that myself and Chris struggled on early on, when we got into entrepreneurism, is we had the clarity down, but we just weren't convicted enough. We didn't really believe in ourselves. We didn't know our worth and value. Our self-esteem was very low. We didn't think that we were worthy of, this vision that we wanted to do. And again, I know a lot of you guys are in the same position. You guys feel that way. And that's why I'm sharing this with you guys after 15 years of being in the game. So having a high level conviction, it changes everything, because you are so convicted that you are on a great mission. You have a great game plan. You have a great set of skills. You're different. You're put on this earth to utilize your God-given talents and make change and transform lives through health and fitness, to where nothing will get in your guys' way, because your level of conviction is so high that no matter what, you're like, man, I'm a badass. Like, people need me out there. It's a privilege to work with me. I am the prize, and the prize never chases. So again, level of conviction has to be so high, but again, that takes time to condition your mindset to think like that. The last part in the 3 C's, it's a certainty, right? So again, if you have clarity, you have conviction, there is no other options. Like, you have to make this work. This is where your faith ties in, right? It's like, God has my back. The universe has my back. I am putting in good deposits. I'm doing goodwill every single day. I have good intentions, good values, good morals. And at some point, things are going to happen. I'm going to get to that next level. But again, it's more about being in the process right now. Okay. Strategy number 2 that Patrick Bet-David shared was, again, the importance, guys, of building your guys' network and building relationships. My pastor even says too that, your alignments are greater than your assignments in life. Who are you guys aligning yourself with, right? Maybe right now you guys are surrounding yourselves with a bunch of energy demanders, right? People that are just playing the victim role, where they're not thinking bigger. They don't understand, your passion, your drive, what you're trying to build, right? Those are more energy demanders. How do you surround yourself with more energy producers? People that, again, they are thinking differently. They're very positive. They're optimistic about the future. They have a vision, they have clarity, they have conviction, right? They're very certain. Those are more energy producers that you want to network and build a relationship with. What you have to do too, guys, is you can't sit there behind the keyboard. You can't sit there behind your phones and just, worry about DMing people and stuff too. You guys have to literally get out in your guys' 3 to 5 mile radius, or even 10 mile radius, 60 mile radius. And this is what Patrick emphasized in this interview when we talked to him, is that you guys have to be willing to get yourself out there, go dress presentable, and go shake people's hands and look them in the eye. Kind of like the good old days, right? That doesn't really happen anymore, but you guys have to do that, right? Because again, you are a walking billboard. You guys are your brand, and people buy people. It's a human to human business. So you can't sit there and be afraid to make connections, go to different businesses, go to different meetup groups. Again, make a power list of all the different companies that you align with, that you want to go sit there and, go break bread with and just introduce yourself with. And one of our students that did very well with this is Wesley DeHaven. So he is a online health and fitness coach, and he's based out of Kansas. And again, we put him pretty much to a test, and we gave him some strategies to go out to his local 3 to 5 mile radius and try to sponsor local businesses. And when Wesley did this, he had so many different clients coming into his small gym, to where literally he got to $10,000 months just by doing something like that. So again, I know oftentimes, guys, we think that all the money's online and we have to DM people and we have to do all this through funnels, but sometimes your guys' clientele is right there in a 3 to 5 mile radius. So please do not neglect that. All right. So if you guys are digging this content, hit the like button, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button so you guys get more videos and content like this. Okay, strategy number 3 that Patrick Bet-David shared was, again, just the value of learning and just adapting and constantly being a student. And I know you guys as health coaches, practitioners, nutrition coaches, you guys are heavily immersed in education, right? You guys probably have your guys' certifications. You guys probably have been through some form of school system and degrees. So again, you have to sit there and learn more of the business skills. You have to sit there and be more immersed in that, right? Because you guys have all the technical skills with like exercise, nutrition, movement stuff, all that you guys can help people with. But what happens if you don't understand how to market yourself, brand yourself, if you don't understand how to create a high ticket offer that you're worth, that makes sense, that you can create financial freedom with? How do you position that? How do you sell that? How do you deliver that? How do you onboard customers? How do you build a team around you? And this is where Patrick mentioned too, to where it's like, invest in yourself, invest in other coaches, other mentors, other masterminds, communities where you're paying to get in those rooms and have a seat at that table. And you have direct access to those people that are very successful, that can, again, help you time collapse and accelerate the learning curve and build those skills. Okay, strategy number 4 that Patrick Bet-David shares is really understanding and utilizing the power of social media and content creation. And I'm all for this, guys. Like, this is something we're huge on within our accelerator mentorship here at Dynamic Fit Pros. Because again, if you don't know how to learn content marketing, if you don't know how to be intentional, really speak to the audience, the avatar, the niche that has a specific set of problems, and that how you can be the solution with your guys' programs and coaching, then you're speaking to so many different people to where you're speaking to nobody. And this is what happens with so many coaches, right? To where they get on social media and they post so much content around just like exercise, nutrition, recipes. They do so many shirtless pictures and bikini pictures to where it's like, that is not value driven, guys. And it's more importantly, it's not speaking to your guys' clients. It's really not. They don't even know what the heck you're offering, and they don't even know the next step to work with you. Making compelling content that's speaking to that one person that has particular problems and how you can solve that can make a world of difference in your guys' branding and online marketing, to where, again, maybe you don't have to sit there and run so much paid ads if you have a good social following. You guys have to sit there and take social media very, very serious with your guys' content and be more intentional. So we have a brand new 365-day calendar that's done for you content for health and fitness coaches, right? Literally plug and play. You guys get some ideas, some inspiration. You guys can even see the content matrix that I mentioned on the last point. So again, if you guys want this 365-day social media content calendar and not have to stress about content, not have to do half-ass stuff, then again, click the description box below, click that link there, and that whole content calendar is yours. It's on us. All I ask is you guys just put it to use and test some different things out. Okay, so the last strategy that Patrick Bet-David talked about, and this is one of the most important ones, guys, is customer experience and just customer service. So you have to understand, guys, as business owners, right, your brand and reputation is so key, especially if you're gonna be doing this for 10, 20, 30 years. And honestly, that's the way you have to think as a business owner. If you're just in this to make a quick buck, it's a different mindset. It's a different game that you're playing. But again, I'm speaking to people that wanna just really do this for the long haul. Again, customer service and customer just experience is so key. Let me start with customer experience. With customer experience, this is what Patrick Bet-David said too, is like when you guys sign up a client, someone actually gives you their hard-earned money. That's beautiful. That's them trusting you to, again, deliver the product, help solve their problems. And that's what you're supposed to do as a business owner, just help people solve problems. You have to give them an exceptional customer experience, right? Right away, right? How do you fulfill to where you just get people to not have any type of buyer's remorse? Do a 30-minute kickoff call, put that on the calendar to put people at ease, walk them through the next steps. Just doing that, a 30-minute kickoff call can change everything in your guys' customer experience. Then again, check in with people, have a system to do that. With customer service, right? How do they reach out to, your guys' team if they're in a little bit of trouble? Maybe they're having some fear, uncertainty, doubt, right? Maybe things are not going the way it should be. There's got to be a great customer service, system to fulfill that. Again, people talk, and your reputation can very well get burnt out. So what you want to do is really maintain great relationships with people, do everything that you can to go above and beyond and add more value. So what will happen by default if you guys do that is people will pay more, they'll stay with you guys, and then they'll refer you guys out. So again, customer experience, customer service, very, very key. And I love how Patrick Bet-David emphasized that. All right, next video up is, again, a video on how you guys can have 2 different paths to create a 6-figure business and beyond. So click the link there and watch that video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.